let's get crafty. Okay, so one of my missions for this video is to comfort children. So what could comfort them more than puffy paint? So we were inspired by this illustration right here. You see the background with the skies and the stars. So we're gonna create that image with this puffy paint. You're gonna get some shaving cream, and it's always fun for kids to use shaving cream. Very silly, very fun, messy, but fun. And then you're gonna put some glue in it as well. We did not measure, y'all. I've never messed this up, and I don't even measure anymore. I just kind of look at it, and if you get this texture right here, you're doing great. And my daughter wanted to put this in there. It did absolutely nothing, so y'all don't need this, okay? But she wanted to because it was blue, and yeah, and I'm pretending to put it in there. So then we got some blue food coloring, and my daughter, see, she still wants to put glitter glue in there, and I let her put a little bit, but it does, you don't need it, guys. You just need the shaving cream, the food coloring, and the glue. And you know what? I'll put a description of how much you need in the description box. If you want to know exactly how much glue and shaving cream is needed, go ahead in that description box and grab that. All right, so now you got this texture here is looking fluffy and puffy. You're going to put it on a plate just like this. And you're gonna put it on this plate, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna take the puffy paint, put it on the
plate.
We're
gonna take turns, Leah.
Alright, I can take turns.
Wait.
Let me move this out your way.
Leah, just mix it.
Well, show her how to do it. Can you do it first?
Five, six.
Alright, Leah, watch. Leah, let Kimmy do it first. Alright, ready? Like you're serving some cloud soup. There you go. Something that also creates another element of fun for kids is just diving in and playing with the puffy paint. It has a cool texture. My daughter said it felt like a cloud. And I mean, it's just really fun for kids to get messy and, you know, get a little messy play. So I had them go ahead and dig in there, and they're piling on the puffy paint, and this is our final look. So we're going to add some glitter to it so it can really shine like the night sky with the stars. And then lastly, we're going to decorate it with this star template that I have on my website. You guys can see that in the description box if you need a template to cut out the perfect star. And then we're also going to add some hearts because, as you can see on the page that we were inspired by, there's hearts in the sky. And this is the final look after a day. This is how it looks after it's dried for a day. So you guys can touch it. It feels so cool. Puffy. Can y'all see that? Look at it, it's puffy. It feels like a pillow. Y'all have to try this. This is so nice. It feels like what the clouds would feel like. Your child would be like loving the way this feels. Like, check out my kids. It's the next day, Kimmy. Look at your art. What you think? You wanna touch it? All right, what does it feel like? It's cool, right?
Yeah, it doesn't pop.
It doesn't pop, yeah, but what does it feel like?
It feels like fluffy clouds.
Fluffy clouds? Yeah, that's perfect. Do you like the way it feels? Yeah, it's fun, huh?
Yeah, it's fun to play with that.
Yep, and this is how it looks the next day. So like I said, the goal of this activity was to comfort kids, and as you can see, my daughter was having a funky old good time, y'all. She was obsessed with the puffy paint. And you know, this is a nice sensory activity as well. We're all about senses here, so y'all have no excuse but to try this. I know y'all got shaving cream and glue at home, so go ahead and mix it up and create this today. Oh my gosh, that turned out so nice, guys. I know y'all gonna want to make that one today. And guys, when you make my crafts, you already know what I'm about to say. Take pictures and tag me on my Instagram. It's right here on the page. Go ahead. It takes 2 seconds to go on my Instagram and tag me so I can see your child's work and celebrate them. So go ahead, follow me as well while you over there, because you already know you're gonna want to. I share lots of things on my Instagram that I don't share here on YouTube, so you guys might want to go ahead and hop on over there. I'm just saying. So guys, you are just going to love this touching, beautiful story by Miss Amanda Lynch. And this book today is called A Million Little Stars, illustrated by Bonnie Lemire. This book was written for bereaved children and showing them how to walk through the grief of losing a loved one. Now, I'll tell you guys more about this book and why I think each and every person should have this book on their child's library or on their bookshelf, because we all go through loss sometime in our life, and this book is an easy way to get kids to overcome that loss and come to peace with it.